How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. So go ahead and begin with it. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged in into your WhatsApp application. Tap on the three dot that is at the top. From here, select on Settings. Tap on Chats and select on Chat Backup. If your chat is backed up, you don't have to worry about recovering the deleted WhatsApp messages. If not, select on the Account option and tap on Request Account Info. In here, you can request for your account report as well as a channel report. It might take a while to prepare those reports. In your report, you will find all of the information of your WhatsApp account. It can also include the media chats those were sent or deleted during your WhatsApp conversation. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.